and a force of friction, let us say over here, and equal and opposite force, normal reaction, and a force of friction downward. So, in this way you can complete all the contacts. For example, again at point 7 between the block ball B and the floor of the jar, here is a contact point and corresponding point over here. So, we will have a vertical force and a force of friction and equal and opposite force. So, this is how you will draw various forces between the contacting bodies. Let us take up another interesting example, a complete system. Suppose here is a triangular frame A, B, C. A is a roller jointed support, whereas C is a simple support, pin jointed or simple support. At point B, the contact between the two rods is through a pin. On the rod AC, there is a pulley through an axle or through a pin at D, and on this pulley is passing a flexible taut cord carrying a weight W. So, here we, for the further analysis of equilibrium, as we will be seeing later, we will first divide this body, this whole system of rods and pulleys and cord, etc., into various free bodies. Let us do it one by one. First of all, we will consider the entire system as a free body, which is isolated from its supports. Supports were at A and C. If you recall, at A there was a roller support and at C there was a simple support. Roller support cannot sustain any horizontal reaction, whereas simple support can sustain both